Our Computex 2018 coverage is provided by Epic Gear, Gale, Kudo Technologies, and powered by the Acer Nitro 5. Visit the links down below to find out more.
What's up guys, Tarvin here from KLGadgetTV, and we are in Computex Taiwan 2018 and we are at the VAIO Welcome Back party where VAIO is bringing the S11 and the S13 back. So here we have the S11 over here and this is the S13. As you can see, the design is very minimal, very simple looking design, and as you can see on the sides here we have just nice amount of ports, as they have two USB ports on one side with a headphone jack. On the other side we have another USB port with a SD card reader, a HDMI port, an Ethernet port, and of course a VGA port. So what is nice about these laptops is that if you actually open up the laptop, the keyboard props up, giving you this very nice ergonomic typing experience. So other than that, when we take over at the screen, so why they are calling it the S11 and the S13? Because the S11 is an 11-inch screen, whilst the S13 is a 13-inch screen. And looking at the screen, I say the screen is pretty good. Maybe it's not so good for video editing, but if you have simple tasks like maybe watching a movie or you just want to watch a YouTube video, then the screens are pretty decent. And lastly, the laptop is also pretty light. I mean, both the 11 and the 13-inch feels very light, so this is going to be a very nice and slim and compact laptop for you to transport around. So spec-wise, both the VAIO S11 and the S13 will come with the 8th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 processor. Other than that, the S11 will come with 8 or 16 GB of LPDDR3 RAM, while the S13 will come with 4 to 16 GB of LPDDR3 RAM. And lastly, the S11 weighs only 0.85 kg, while the S13 weighs 1.07 kg. Now, VAIO has also mentioned that the S11 will give you 11 hours of battery life, while the S13 will give you 8 hours of battery life. And they have also said that both these laptops will support fast charging, so it will give you about 80% of battery life in just 1 hour of charging. So guys, it's pretty exciting that VAIO is coming back, and we can expect VAIO to come to Malaysia by the end of August. As for pricing, they have not confirmed the pricing yet, but they will inform us the pricing as soon as they can. So guys, there you have it. That is the VAIO laptop. So stay tuned as we will update you more as more information comes out.